Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Thank you for joining me. My name is Elizabeth. If you just joined me, I do home vlogging and home content, cleaning motivation, laundry motivation, and the likes. So my day, it was a beautiful day, I must say, generally. So I started by watering my mustard spinach China, because it went like 2 days without water, but I do give it that whole bucket. It's a 20-liter bucket. I just put it there and it goes for 2 days without water. I believe the water will be enough for the next 2 days. So it was on a Saturday and I started by watering the spinach. And please, if you enjoy this kind of content, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment and share if you really feel like sharing. And yeah, I manage my day by just gathering everything in the house and make sure that whatever I want is in place, so that when I use it, I am able to reach it at that time. Like me getting the water from the tank and putting it in the house. That is another thing that I always do. Even though that white bucket down there is full of water, but I normally don't want it to be empty. So I always fill it up as the day goes on. In this video, I'm going to cook, I am going to clean, and just do my weekly chores, my Saturday chores in this video. So please enjoy and share if you can, please. I started by doing this. You saw this meat in the grocery haul that I did in the previous video. If you didn't watch it, go back and watch the haul. This is beef pockies. There were 2 trays, and what I'm doing right now is to clean it. I normally remove the fats around the meat, or if the meat is too small and attached to the bone, I just remove the bone and throw it away, so that I'm remaining with them. I don't like a lot of fats in my meat. That's what I'm doing right now, and wash it so that I can cook it. I mentioned it there in the previous video. I'm going to fry it, but I didn't. It was full of water, so I just let it boil with everything that I'm going to put here. You're going to see them, the spices, and let it boil until the water evaporates enough to make a smaller soup, like a mototo. Yeah, and it was tasty, guys. I used in salt, barbecue, paprika, and ginger for taste. The ginger and paprika needed some refill in their bottles, so that's what I'm doing there. And I realized that I use them in my daily basis, especially paprika. It doesn't have a taste, but it gives the food some nice coloring. I like the reddish color in the food. As for the ginger, I like the smell of ginger. I like it a lot. This is the leftover pap from last night. It goes with chicken, so I'm just going to eat this one for my lunch instead of the one that I'm going to cook now. The things we do for our family, you eat the last night things and let them eat the fresh one. So I don't want to let them go to spoil. I ate them. Guys, I'm sure you realized I'm a fan of spinach. This one I have bought it. It's in the haul. Go and watch the haul. I bought it because I didn't want the one in my yard. They are different. The other one is more China. This one spinach. The real name of this one is Kienyi, but Padima. So I'm a fan of spinach, and lately I've been craving for cabbage also, but I just forget to buy it. Whenever I crave it, I'll be at home and I won't buy the head or half of it. I always buy the chopped one, cook, and that's it. Here I'm just boiling the mop. It was new, so I'm boiling it so that it can be useful, like wipe properly. And later on I will be mopping my floor. And lately I've been mopping my floor several times in a day. Maybe in an hour I will mop it twice because there is scent going on outside and we do keep it inside with shoes. So I do prefer to regularly mop around just to keep it clean, guys. That's where I keep my whole bag of maize meal. I buy 10 kg of maize, so I do refill my container as and when it is required. It was time that I refill it so that I can go and cook it. Tidying up around is one of the things that I always do when I'm busy in the kitchen. So you need to keep your kitchen clean. Like wiping now and then, it's one of the things that I always do. I like the space to be clean when I'm around the kitchen. I'm done cooking. The meat is ready and the pap is ready. Also, the spinach is ready. So let's completely clean the kitchen. I'm going to tackle the dishes. I will wash them, rinse them and wipe them off camera, then put them away. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, if you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it with other communities. Please guys, I beg you to watch the ads also. It keeps the channel running. If you're still here with me until this time, thank you so much for staying on this video, for staying on my channel. I love you so much and I appreciate you a lot. Thank you guys, everyone that visit my channel. I thank you guys, and I don't know how to thank you, but I will just thank you with my mouth from the bottom of my heart. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye.